guys? It's Squizzle again. Today I'm going to talk about these cheap little padlocks. This is one that I picked on camera for you guys a while ago. Anyway, the sides came out, and this pin right here holds the the whole plug in. And right now I just have this spool pins and stuff in the plug, but let's see. Yeah, it's a 4-pin lock, and it's got 3 spool pins and then 1 serrated pin. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I break a lot of locks, so I like to keep all my little parts in little containers. So I got like I got a bunch of stuff to play with, and I kind of replace them like I did on this one. I picked this before. It's got 2 spool pins in it. This is basically a copy of this one. It's basically the same thing, just different color. Anyway, it's got just regular, these pins came out of it. They're just regular pins. So I already took the liberty of taking this lock apart, and what I'm going to do is take these security pins from this, and I was actually surprised. This had all 4 security pins, so I thought a cheap little lock like this is going to have maybe 1 security pin, and I was expecting just 1 spool, but it's got 3 spools and a serrated. Actually, I'll get you guys a better look at that. I'm going to take these pins, put them in my box. So I got them. I'm going to keep the same key pins, so hopefully it'll work. Now I'll get you guys a closer look. This is, hopefully that's not upside down. If it'll focus. There you go. Yeah, so 3 security, or 3 spool pins, and then 1 serrated pin. And it's just got 1 serration on it. 2 serrations. Anyway, I'm gonna show you me replacing them real quick. So I still got my springs in there. I'm gonna take, this is just a little thing from a pin, and this is gonna be the front where the lock face is. So I want that first one to be that serrated pin, so I'm going to start from the back with the spool pins and just push them in there. Kind of difficult. Here's the first one. I don't think there's a lot of videos about people repinning or anything, so I figured I'd make a video. I haven't made a video in a long time, so. Yeah, it's kind of difficult, but with this lock, you can't go through the top because all the that's filled in. So there we go. And I'm just pushing this little thing all the way forward just to cover the pin. I'm sorry if this is a long video. Okay, I'm just gonna come back when I finish this. So I got my my plug back together, and it's got the 4 spool pins or the 3 spool pins and the 1 serrated pin. And I'm gonna put the lock back together. If you're wondering, that little metal thing is that I put in there is to stop from using a bypass tool. So, I mean, you can still use a bypass tool if you puncture it, but it just takes that much work, so that's why the manufacturer puts that in. Screw it up in here. Okay. And should be the right one. There it is. Yeah. And it still works, but now it's got security pins, so should be a little bit more difficult to pick. So next video I'll do is gonna be me picking that lock. And thanks for watching. Be safe, have fun, don't do anything illegal.